How to change leverage in OANDA? First of all, make sure you are logged into your account. From the main dashboard, click on the account section from the sidebar. On this page, go to the top right corner and select Add New Account. Next, you will need to choose the account type, enter an account name, and select your preferred currency. Along with these options, you will also see the setting to change leverage. Here you can pick your preferred leverage ratio from the available options. For example, OANDA may provide ratios like 50:1, 100:1 or other values depending on your region. Once you have selected the new leverage, confirm the changes and click on Create. Your new account with the updated leverage settings will now be created and ready for use. Now you know how to change leverage in OANDA. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.